this down like this. This is where our moon sat over there somewhere that you won't see. Oil is like a greyish sort of blue, okay? And these are going to be little tiny distant things. So we'll just start here. We'll just add a few little things. We'll just put one in here, and that goes off there somewhere. There's a big one, just yeah. This is a nice big tree, and it sits right just there. And he's going to have a little friend, which is going to be here. Just to get a feel for where these trees go. Just doesn't really matter with this bit because we won't see hardly any of these. This is where we're going to put some leaves on. Coming quite far down on this one. I can read the comments as I paint. I'll do my very best to. So we're going to go with that there. Just some little ones here and just a little bit closer. Sap green and some yellow. We're going to make a dark green. I want a dark green for this. So we can come in here and just put some little greenery things. Putting some little greenery areas in here, and let's just sneak a little waterfall in somewhere around here, somewhere around a little bit of water. Just see a little tiny bit of water just coming through, and then maybe it goes a little waterfall there, and maybe it comes down here. One will start getting that green there. It's going to fall down into another little waterfall. It's going to come just here, and this one's going to come straight towards us. Just like that. So down here we'll do some water. So I'm actually going to do water like this tonight, so we're just going to pull straight down. And I think they're quite dark in some places over there. So this is just playing about with, I want to keep some dark areas too, like I said. So just that's probably enough. We're going to try and make that look a bit more watery. Wow, beautiful, watching you paint come to life, thank you. So we're going to pull this down here, like this, and go across, and that gives a nice sort of watery effect there. So we've got a nice bit of water there. Down here we'll put some little splashes and stuff. Just a little bit of water movement. There we go, something like that here and there. Lots of bushy stuff in this one. Okay, a lovely little brush to do this. Yeah. Just a little one, it's quite, just a little bit of light on the top of this one. I mean, I have some nice little wispy things down here. Just a little fraction. But then dark. Dark down here. Just put a nice little. All that dark over there, so just a bit of movement around there. Just a dark colour. Gonna lay a little tiny sits there. Just a little bit of colour. Okay, you can be taught a technique, but you definitely pick up little techniques on as you do it yourself. I'm going to put this colour on this side here, see? Mainly on that side, and also I think I'm going to do just a little bit over here, because the other side I'm going to make slightly darker. Just a little bit darker now. And we can go in here and put these leaves on. Just like that. So I've got some black here, nearly at the end of that black tube there. I'm gonna just put a nice tree that lives about here. So let's just go, there's sort of make a feel for it, and have a twist and a bit there. And he's an old gnarly tree that lives right just there on the edge. He's got knobbles and his twists and turns, and maybe there's a little one that comes up there, but we're going to swap over to the script brush here. We're going to go into some thinners, thin this down again, and we're just going to put some nice little, we'll finish this tree off now, and maybe this one is a sort of dead old tree. There we go. And we're going to go up here. This one's in front, this tree's in front of the other one, so this one hasn't got many branches on it because it's had its day. And we'll have something coming out of there, like this. There we go. Just flip that up. Oh, it's a nice looking tree actually. So we can come over here and just tap a little bit on here. We don't need much. I'm going to try and get the smallest amount on these bits of tree here actually. So we'll just lay a little bit on here, I don't know. And I've got to do this quick because if I muck around, I could go wrong. So here we go. You ready? What's that? Okay, we're not doing a bridge, as you think. We are doing a bridge, but this is slightly different. Okay, so all I'm going to do on here is some handrails. Get some more paint on. What do you think about that, guys? Okay, just a little handrail that we're standing on it. We are standing on it. Just drag a little bit of highlight across here. Maybe from about here. Go here. We'll keep it more this side, I think. As you come here, we could creep a little bit in there, but just a tiny bit there. This is 556. They always appreciate the help, the support, and anyone that helps me with my Amazon wish list, massive thank you. Anyone that buys from the website, thank you. What does everyone think of this one? Do you think it's nice? This is painting 556, Moonlight Cascade. You'll find it on the website if you type in 556.